And that's one of the reasons why we believe we're going to stay closed on Wednesdays, because there's been some debate, of course, since we finished all our renovations. It allows us to be able to do like events for the community. Like, we have a ton of customers that have, all these talents and skills. We have the local DJ, Charlie O, who actually was the one who did the music for our re-grand opening. I have another customers that's a husband and wife, and she's a jazz singer, and he plays various instruments. They want to come in on a Wednesday and just do a 45-minute set for the community, free of charge, right? So we have so many people in the community that want to give back, and I think we have the environment to allow them to be able to do it, just because of the space we have.
The way the space is
that we want to use Wednesdays to do that, to be more than just a laundromat. I want people to ride by here and say, wow, I went to a comedy show at Bubbles and Baskets Laundromat Wednesday, and it was fabulous. And for people to just look and say, at the laundromat?
Yeah.
So that's what we want to do. That's what we want to be known for, you know. So.
And it's fun because we're coming up with all these different ideas for the Wednesday night and what we're going to call it.